Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy, Blue Coop Master here, and Xbox updated. That's all I'm gonna say. Xbox updated. Sadly, well, not. I'm gonna explain this further first. They allow broadcasting now, but I need an Xbox account in order to do that, and I don't have an Xbox account, so I am sad that I cannot deliver you guys what you want, which is live streams that actually record the freaking screen. So I am sorry, but it's not going to happen, and I am stuck. Okay, anyways, welcome back to TerraTech, everybody. Oh my god. Right in the intro, we see that beast. Okay, well, anyways, again, welcome back to the thing where we do the stuff. Welcome back to TerraTech, everybody. TerraTech is, it's a thing where you do the stuff and you put the stuff on your thing. God, I am lost for words right now, and I have no clue why. And he's too freaking fast for me. Great. Move. Oh, that just... He was out. He was out, dude. He just left. Like, just straight left. Okay. But, anyways, welcome back to TerraTech, everybody. Not much has happened since last time. I haven't even been on since last time. So, yeah. But, we got our venture license, if you guys remember that. And, we got this dude with the venture Uzi, which is for some reason still on him. I don't want it to be. The pit gun of some sort. So, I think for now, guys, we don't have anything, like, unlocked, I guess you could say. But that's for a reason. The devs wanted to, I'm not sure how to explain this. They wanted to, be sure that, oh my god, he's big. They wanted to be sure that you didn't, like the day that you got a new license, like the in-game day that you got a new license, they wanted to be sure that, you wouldn't be able to buy the blocks from it that day. So if you, say you get it from, like, you get your new license at, like, midnight, we'll say you get your new license at, like, midnight. Then you'll, this is annoying. He's stuck, but... Okay, well, let's see what I can do here. Ooh! Ooh, kill him. Oh, maybe not. Here we go, here we go. Yeah. This is kind of annoying because we can't... Oh, wait. Somehow we're hacking. Somehow we're hacking, duders. We're hacking, duders. Okay. Okay. So, this guy... Whoa. Crap. Now he's too close. This guy is... dead. he's just dead. No other explanation. He's just dead. Trash. This is like the only good block that I got out of that. Yeah, I'm not taking any of that. That's just utter trash. Ooh, those wheels though. These wheels are very good. I'd gladly take these wheels. So I think what we want to do, I think we just want to do a tower kind of thing. And then, ooh, solar. Yes, we did need another solar, dude. Another solar panel. Hey, panel. There we go. I can talk now, guys. We're good. But do you, I hope you guys, do enjoy this video. If you do, please hit me with a like or do, because reasons, and I want likes and stuff, so, I want to be liked by you guys. It's appreciated. It's nice to know that you're not the only one in this world. Don't ask me what that was in the comments, because I'm not going to answer. Anyway, what is that? It's £3. I'll take it. I'll put that up there. Do you think I'm going to be able to move, guys? Do you think I'm going to be able to move this big thing? Ooh! I didn't even see this. That's good. That's actually good. Earth is on fire. If you guys don't know what I'm singing right now, it's the stuff where you do, no, I'm singing, I'm singing, Dropkick Murphys. I don't know what the song is, but I know it's a Dropkick song. Dropkick Murphys. Wow, my voice went high-pitched. Holy crap. Did you guys hear that? That was like the highest pitch my voice ever could have gone. I'm not even exaggerating that. My voice could not have gone higher pitched than that. Alright, well, explode. There we go. Alrighty, let's go take care of this guy, and then we'll do this mission, and we'll see what other missions we have. He's shooting at me. Let's just take a moment and look at this. Let's just take a moment here. Let's just take a moment. I'm gonna let him wear down my batteries just because he's just got two. Let's just look at this. Just look at this for a second. All right, your second's up. Bye, dude. I didn't even see that 3-cum cannon over there. The roof is on fire and it's ready to blow. Here we go. There's just a kid screaming outside my house. Holy crap, that was terrifying. Yeah, I know, I'm scared of a little kid. Don't judge me. Dude, that freaking kid is freaking me out. I don't know why, but he's like really freaking me out right now. I'm scared of a kid, I know, and that kid sounds like he's 5. I'm not even kidding, he sounds 5 years old. And I'm scared of it. But yeah, so, welcome back. I've been talking about nothing but crap. Dude, that kid's like moaning right now. What is he doing? Okay, again, welcome back. And, this is where we left off. We left off with getting like solar generators and crap, and doing some of the stuff with those solar generators. No, we left off with getting our venture license. That's what we left off with. So we got our venture license last episode. We got some cool little blocks. We got our venture license. We got our stuff. So I'm happy about what we accomplished yesterday. Not the greatest thing we could have accomplished yesterday, but we did accomplish some things that were very nice yesterday. Now, okay, so you see this defend tech for duration of attack crap. That is, ooh, that is the most annoying one that you could get. Now, the reason for that, that's just an annoying mission. The reason for that, guys, because if you don't actually like storm in and defend the tech that you have to be defending, then that tech will die. I mean, he won't die as soon as he's shot at, but as soon as you complete the mission, he will be dead, because while the mission is still active, he is invulnerable. But when you complete the mission, he loses that invulnerability, and he just dies. He just dies. That's all. That's it. He just dies. I know that because on my good account, my very good account. Alright, there it is. On my very good account, I did one of these missions, like preserve the tech or whatever, save the tech, defend the tech. For like a minute 40. I did defend the tech, but only while the mission was still active. So the reason. Okay, let's just take care of this guy real quick. He's being annoying. Oh, he had delivery cannon. Oh crap. This is what really like what even? What even? These are the missions that I'm dealing with. These are the freaking missions that I'm dealing with. Are you serious? No, this is a joke. Is this a joke? This has got to be a joke. You can't be serious. That's not. Give me some. Oh, frick. No. TerraTech, don't crash. No. No. Okay, we're good, boys. We're good. We're good. We're good. Are you serious? This is what I have to defend the tech? You are a weak little tech. You are not a GSO. You are not part of this mission, are you? Okay, look. 5 more seconds to defend this tech. Easy. 2, 1, 0. We won. Wow, that was the easiest mission I've ever done. Oh, 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 yes, yes. Okay, this is a GSO wireless charger. I was telling you about these earlier on in the series. I was telling you about these earlier. Oh my God, we finally have one, dude. That is amazing. And then we have these giant freaking wheels. Holy crap, this is massive. Wow. Okay. I need some space for this. I need a lot of space for this. Ooh, ooh, a plow. Yeah. All right, the plow isn't the worst thing. Okay, okay. Now this guy. So you see this little thing, send blocks to inventory. When I do that, it sends the blocks that guy had on him straight here. Look, now I've grown to AI. So that's good. That's very good. There's not much over here that I really want. More or less, what I really want over here is the delivery cannon. That's the biggest thing that I can see over here, besides the shields and everything. Wow, this guy had a lot of shields. He was loaded, dude. Holy crap. Okay, anyway, that was the easiest mission I've ever done. Oh, okay. So that we're gonna have to save for another time, because that I will need a venture tech for, and we need to build a venture tech over time, because I cannot actually, like, I believe I can buy blocks, but not many at a time. So I can buy very few at a time, and those few that I can buy at a time, they're expensive. They're very expensive for for the amount of money that I have right now. Oh God. So I'd rather not get those right now. Anyway, I just talked really quickly, and I was not planning to talk that fast, so I'm sorry if you could not understand me. But it just came out as, it didn't even come out as words. It just came out as mumble. It just came out as hara 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 hara. That's my act. That's how it came out, boys. That's not what it came out as, is it? So not what it came out as. Oh, wait, there's just a heal bubble just chilling. Wow, okay. Alright. Well, got that done. Now, Geocorp. My Geocorper dude, he needs some stuff. Alrighty. That's good. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. We could, yeah, let's buy another battery before midnight. Or whatever time, no, morning, rather. And morning does have a few hours still, but I'd rather just get it now, just because it's going to be easier then. Oh god, he's actually attacking. Holy crap. Wow, okay, that was terrifying. That was legitimately terrifying. See, I didn't even realize that he was there until I switched to my other tech. Oh wow, look at that. He barely had enough battery life to survive that. Ooh, that was actually terrifying. This guy barely had the battery life to survive that. Holy crap. Wow. Okay, so we need to go full defense mode. We just need to go full on defense right now because we kind of messed that up a little bit. Ugh, it's frustrating. Oh, I know what those are. Okay. Alright, guys. Well, I'm certainly not going to wrap up the episode. That'll just be a waste of time. Waste of a little time, at least. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. So, here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm not even kidding, there's just random bubbles just chilling everywhere. Oh, look at him. He's big. He's a big, scary guy. Ah, okay, okay, good. Okay. Yes, yes, this is what we want. This is what we want. And it comes with an orange windscreen. Oh my god. Okay, that's what we wanted. That is, oh, yes. Okay, those are good. Those are very good. Okay, so this is good. This is very good. So I'm gonna buy all these. The reason for that, the pit machine guns, these things, they are very, very good. I mean that too. Like they are very good, and I think I'm gonna put them on this dude. Yeah, I'm gonna put them on this dude. Here, let's do purchase all corp. It's frustrating. Look at it. This is like all GeoCorp, and that makes me mad because like I can't even get it yet, and it's just showing me like everything GeoCorp, and I'm like, why? That's just that no. That's just no. Okay, now this is very, very good. Look at this. Look. Now you see that? See that blue beam right there? There we go. It's slow, but it works. So you see my batteries? See my battery? Look, look, look. That blue beam is charging it. I'm recording video. Okay, I don't know if that bubble is big enough. Okay, let's do that, and then do that. Okay, that'll work. That'll work. Oh. Oh, they're an accessory? What the heck? Alrighty. There we go. Alright, so these batteries are fully charged now. Alright. So let's just go see what I can do. Just with this. I just realized I probably should have saved first. Yeah, I'm dead. Frick. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We are completely fine. Ooh, that was actually terrifying. I like as soon as I went against that guy with that little dude, I realized that I'd messed up. I was like, oh god, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Like as soon as I went towards him with that, I was like, okay, well it's done. Just the immediate regret. It was just instant, dude. So there we go. Now, okay. So we got that. We got that now. Power box. Nothing good. Okay. Now we want to go to control blocks. We have all these, right? The 3 of these. We have this. And we're gonna put that. We'll put it right there for now. Well, no. Wait up. Okay, we'll put it right there for now. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, now let's put it on that side. Okay. You guys remember what that other tech did as soon as we unlocked it? You see that little timer thing now? And you guys remember that it wasn't there before I put that thing on? And you remember what it was called? It was called an AI module. Okay, now you see this? Did you see his wheels? Look. He should follow me. Maybe. See, they didn't entirely get the AI stuff working correctly, so it's kind of, yeah, it's not working that well right now. Whoa, what the heck? That's like my design. That's almost my exact same, that's almost, the front of that tech, that's almost my exact same design. Besides the rock drills, that's almost my exact same design. There's no way, no. Nah. Nah. There's no way that, no. No. No way. There's no way a developer of this game watches my YouTube. No way. There's just no freaking way that a developer of YouTube of this game watches my YouTube. No way. Nah, dude. Nah, I ain't believing that. I ain't freaking believing that crap. But that, I swear, that was almost identical to my tech. Did it not look like my tech? You can't tell me it didn't look like my tech. That looked so similar to my tech that I, like, no. There's no way that was my tech. Didn't that look so similar, though? Oh. Oh, look at that. Look at that. See? He's moving now. Oh, wait. Are those... Ah. Crap. Okay. Those aren't what I thought they were. But that's fine. Okay, wait, what? I don't get it. Okay, that's a gruntle. I see that. Okay. I'm confused right now, so that's why I'm like not talking. Yeah. I'm doing stuff right now, guys, and it's stuff that I need to do. Okay, I'm gonna let that dude charge. What the heck? Why is this not getting picked up, but that other stuff was? I'm confused. That should be getting picked up as well. Okay, that'll work. So, wow. What the heck? What the heck? There we go. The roof is on fire. Wait, is that a pumpkin? That's just a pumpkin, dude. Why is there just a pumpkin just chilling? You're straight up just a chilling pumpkin. Oh, okay. You see that? The hunting party one? We're gonna go do that next. Ooh. Actually, we'll do this one next. Okay, so I believe... Is he gonna follow us now? Maybe? Okay, that's fine. As long as he doesn't stray too far from the base, he should be fine. I'm just hoping he doesn't stray too far from the base and just be in, like, a side. Oh, that's a delivery cannon. Gimme. Battery. Dude. Okay, I need something very, very freaking bad right now. And it's something that would make my life so much easier. Here we go. Ooh, healing bubbles. Yay. Healies. Dude, my screen can't even capture the entire thing. This is what happens when you have so many freaking TSO blocks. Or geocorp blocks. Oh my god, I still move pretty dang fast, too. Holy crap. How? Oh, except I cannot stop like that. Whoa, did you guys just hear that? Look, listen. Did you hear that? Uh-oh. No, TerraTech, don't lag out. Don't you dare lag out on me. No, 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 no. Wait, listen. Do you guys hear that? What was that? What the heck? What was that? What? What? What the heck? Dude, I'm actually just disgustingly confused right now. Like, what? Please tell me that got on film. I'm gonna be really freaking mad if that didn't get caught on film. Okay, well, this guy ain't really working out, which kinda ticks me off. Oh wait, now he's working. Yeah, never mind. He's just gonna stop and chill. Is he gonna attack me? You better freaking not. Is he really? He's not, is he? Okay, weird. Whatever. Alright, so this is a venture delivery crate. Now, oh, I didn't even realize that booster was still there. Holy crap, that was random. That was actually, oh, and that 3-pound cannon too, and that one. God, I missed a lot of stuff. Huh, easy. All venture stuff, boys. Yes, yes, yes. Venture gear. Venture gear. Venture, and I just left that battery up there. Wow, I'm on fire today. Our roof is on fire. Yeah. Alright, there we go. That'll work. Yeah. Look at that. That booster. Look at that. Look how powerful that is. It's pushing my entire tech forward. Like, it's pushing the top of my tech onto the other part. Look at that. Okay, you can't stay there. Kind of disappoints. Oh, they're big. It kind of disappoints me that I didn't get to fight any venture techs. Don't you dare go after them. Don't you freaking dare. And he went after them. Well, one of them at least. Okay, stop. Dude, stop. Actually, just stop. Don't you dare. I'll be right back. I'm not saying that to you guys. I'm saying that to him. Come on. Come to me. Come here. Oh, and I forgot about that battery. Wow, I'm on absolute fire today, guys. Okay, so I want that on there. I want to take that off. I want to take that off. I want to take that off. Okay, this tech is being really flipping annoying right now. I think I'm just going to send this box to the end. Oh! No, let me drive him over here. Let me drive him back over here. Do I have my scoops? Yeah. Scoopers. Let's anchor this dude. I want him to generate some power. I think... Yeah, this is going on. This episode's been going on for a while. So, I think I'm gonna end it out now. Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna end it out now. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, then please do smash that like button. And, yeah, guys. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all later. Goodbye!